sleek, powerful, and lightweight, our gas one is the way to go for any camping trip. With a smooth metal body and enamel-coated drip pan, our stove ensures an easy and enjoyable cooking experience. The gas one features a conductive heating plate, which allows an even heating surface, coming with an output of 11,000 BTU. Our iconic little stove delivers swift power at a small price, a perfect fit for your camping gear, emergency gear, or even a small BBQ. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Most powerful portable stove on the market. Boils water twice as fast compared to standard portable stoves. Dual flame in a spiral shape for a stronger output. Heat output up to 11,000 BTU per hour. Number 2. Highest safety standard. CSA approved portable. Easy to use, reliable for camping, outdoor cooking, home emergency kit, etc. Number 3. Thermal plate. Gas one with thermal plate prevents butane canister from getting cold and freezing. Heat-resistant knob. Number 4. Automatic starter. Piezo-Type electric starter with safety shutoff system. No matches or lighters required. Number 5. Portable. Easy to use, reliable for camping, outdoor cooking, home emergency kit, etc. Comes with carrying case, complete with user manual. Number 6. Automatic safety shutoff device. An installed system that shuts off gas flow if irregular flow pressure is detected. Number 7. Safety lever. Has a built-in mechanism that won't lock the canister until the dial is in the off position. Ensures that the butane can is set correctly and locks the canister in place to prevent unwanted leakage. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.